So people over the last 50 years have either been in the Browning camp or the Breda camp. There's now a third B, and that's Breda. This is a Zenith Sporter. Comes in around £8.2, a tapered rib, ventilated, mid-rib ventilated. The tapered rib here is 11:7. It has long maxi 90 chokes, so they're external 90mm chokes with a long 75mm forcing cone, chambered in 3-inch, steel shot proofed again. So superior steel shot, so you can use any steel in there at all. Single selective trigger, which again is adjustable in both length of pull and poundage. The thing that's nice about this, if you have a quick look at this, is the engraving is so different to anything else. It's almost Art Deco. Most people have got either a little bit of scroll or they've got something like ducks and pheasants on. This is, I think Breda have done really well to try and do something different to anyone else. So the gun is complemented then with a grade 4 piece of timber and a palm swell. Non-slip recoil pad, so as you mount the gun, as you see often they'll catch on your jacket, this will not catch, it will just slide straight up. This gun is retailing at £2,400. If they're prepared to come out of their Browning Blaser camp and buy something else, they're really impressed with the results they're getting.